Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you guys about the mythical Philosopher's Stone. The Philosopher's Stone, more properly known as Stone of Philosopher, is a mythical alchemical substance capable of turning base metals such as mercury into gold or silver. It is also known as elixir of life, which is useful for rejuvenation and achieving immortality, or in some myths, it is even able to bring back the dead. For many centuries, it was one of the most sought after goals of alchemy. The Philosopher's Stone was the central symbol of mythological terminology of alchemy, symbolizing perfection at its finest, enlightenment, and heavenly bliss. Efforts to discover Philosopher's Stone were known as magnum opus or the great work. The Philosopher's Stone in stories is portrayed as a red stone or sometimes in liquid form. It can eh, it can help someone achieve immortality or to help someone revive the dead. In earlier knowns, writing mention of philosopher's stones were in Chercomet by Zomius of Pandomix in the 300 AD. Alchemical writers assigned a long history, and anonymous author of Goliath claimed that its history go back to Adam, who acquired the knowledge of stone directly from God. This knowledge was said to be passed down through biblical parchments, giving them their longevity. The legend of the stone was also compared to the biblical history of Temple of Solomon, and the rejected cornerstone describes Paspla. The theoretical roots outline of stone's creation can be traced to Greek philosophy. Alchemists later used the classic elements, the concept of animium mulith, and the creation stories represented in texts like Plato's Timaeum and analog of their process. So these were the histories of philosopher's stones. Many people tried to make lead and mercury into gold, but none were able to discover. The properties of this stone were the most commonly mentioned properties are the ability to transmute base metals into gold or silver and the ability to heal all form of illness, prolong life for any person who consumes a small part of philosopher's stone diluted in wine. Other mentioned properties also include creation of perpetuum burning lamps, transmutation of common crystals into precious stones and diamonds, revival of dead plants, revival of dead bodies, creation of flexible or malleable gas, creation of a clone or homunculus. So, and the appearance, the description of stones are numerous and various. According to alchemic tests, the stone of philosopher came in two varieties, prepared by almost identical method: white for the purpose of making silver and red for the purpose of making gold. White stone being less matured version of the red stone. Some ancient and medieval alchemic tests leaves clues for the physical appearance and the stone of the philosopher, specifically the red stone. It is often said that the orange, saffron colored, or red when ground to powder or in solid form, an intermedium between red and purple, transparent and glass like. Weight is spoken as being heavier than gold and soluble in any liquid, yet incombustible in fire. So friends, now you guys know about uh, the legendary Philosopher's Stone. For more informative videos, please continue to like and subscribe.